Ladies and gentlemen, it's Group 2. Today we are going to talk about the organization communication of Walmart, Costco, and Whole Foods. They are all in retail industry. Walmart is an American multinational retail company that operates a chain of supermarkets, discount department stores, and grocery stores. Differently, Costco operates a chain of membership-based large-scale retail stores, and Whole Foods differs from the first two in that the chain is known for its organic options. We interviewed these three companies and asked the following questions.
The first part is the key learning point. For the interview questions, logic and reasons, because it is an online interview, to minimize the possibility of misunderstanding, we choose to use direct questions. And in order to get more information, the question structure is a border question followed by a few detailed questions. This is to help us to gather more specific answers. We focus on the internal organization communication, so we ask more questions about employees. Since all actions of companies are based on its organizational culture, so we ask it at first. Thus, we can determine whether the organization's behavior are followed by them.
Full interviews show that all three companies attach great importance to communication with employees. They provide different communication channels for employees' feedback. Like Walmart, they focus on employees' voices. Employees can communicate directly with their leaders and express their opinions. For Costco, they focus on team communication, allow all employees to share monthly communication with each store managers and team. And for Whole Foods, they attach importance to teams and corporate culture as the core, and more stringent team participation and cooperation requirements.
There are still some challenges within three companies. For the Walmart is the field communication in German. This is because the field cross-cultural communication. Walmart's high interactive service doesn't suit the German culture, which they don't want to communicate with people a lot. The primary reason why it failed is because Walmart decided to use English as an official language to communicate within the German management level. They did not aware and understand the German culture at the first time.
So for Whole Foods communication challenges, they launched a rating system, but not directly informed employees. The era of rating has increased stress and competition among employees, and the lack of measurement of employees' psychological well-being.
Next is literature review. In traditional companies, information is passed down the hierarchy from top managers to the next level of employees. But different with this communication model, Costco would like to hold monthly communication meeting to exchange their information without ambiguity or misinformation. Furthermore, administrators set a notice board in Costco that indicates new promotion or new policy of members in Costco, which can help staff to solve the problems effectively and timely for customers.
Walmart has a very flexible job change system where employees acquire multiple career skills, which allows them to work in different situations. This promotes communication between employees in different departments and allows them to learn about the information and knowledge of different departments. This allows for more flexible and effective communication within the company and a closer relationship between departments, reducing the possibility of internal conflicts and information mismatch among the company's employees. It also allows employees to solve problems from multiple perspectives.
The second key point is collaboration culture. All the three companies focus on collaboration and cooperation. Walmart allows employees to cross department gap to communicate. Costco has a connection culture, which employees feel connected to their colleagues and they focus on providing transparency, innovation, value, and voice. Whole Foods encourages small groups working environment. With small scope management, help information spread efficiently and easy adapt to local markets. In Whole Foods, employees can make their own decisions such as hiring a new member.
At Towards the end, combined with industry practice and historical perspective, communication is very important. It can improve employee engagement and enhance work motivation. In a collaborative culture, communication is also very effective for dissemination of information. The cooperative culture within the company can enhance the cohesion of employees and plays a certain role in promoting organizational communication between employees.
That's all our presentation. Thanks for listening and watching.